Running an online store is fantastic, but for some businesses, that virtual world just isn't enough. They crave the in-person interaction, the buzz of a busy store. That's where Shopify comes in, offering a seamless blend of online and offline sales with their Shopify POS system. But with two data streams flowing in your web store and your physical store, things can get a little confusing. So, how do you tell the difference between Shopify POS data and your standard Shopify web data? Fear not, fellow entrepreneur. This video will be your one-stop guide to understanding the key differences between these two datasets, helping you make smarter decisions and optimize your sales strategy. Setting the stage. Online versus offline. Let's take a step back. Shopify offers a beautiful online storefront where customers can browse, add to carts, and check out with a few clicks. It's convenient, global, and open 24/7. Shopify POS, on the other hand, is all about the physical experience. It's the software that runs your cash register, tracks inventory in-store, and lets you manage customer interactions on the spot. Think of it as the digital backbone of your brick-and-mortar location. Data differentiators. A deep dive. Now onto that data. Both your web store and POS system generate valuable information about your customers and their buying habits. But the specifics of that data will tell a very different story depending on where the sale happened. Here are the key areas to watch. Customer information. Online, customer data is typically more detailed. Customers create accounts, providing names, addresses, email addresses, and sometimes even purchase history. In-store, you might just get a name and an email address if they choose to share it for loyalty programs. Product browsing. Online stores can track every click, every product page viewed. This lets you see what piques your customers' interest, even if they don't end up buying. With POS data, you only see what gets scanned and rung up. Shopping cart analysis. Online shopping carts can sit abandoned for hours, filled with tempting items the customer might never buy. This can skew your sales insights. POS data reflects immediate purchases, giving you a clearer picture of what's actually flying off the shelves. Payment methods. Online transactions offer a wider variety of payment options. Credit cards, digital wallets, even buy now, pay later services. In-store purchases tend to be more traditional cash, credit cards, and maybe the occasional store gift card. Impulse purchases. The online world allows for more considered purchases. People can research, compare prices, and sleep on it before hitting buy. In a physical store, the visual appeal and immediate availability can lead to more impulse buys, a factor not always reflected in online data. Unifying your data strategy. While Shopify POS and web data offer distinct insights, the true magic happens when you bring them together. Many Shopify plans allow you to seamlessly integrate your POS system with your online store. This lets you see a holistic view of your customer, their online browsing habits informing your in-store product placement, and vice versa. You can also leverage this unified data for targeted marketing campaigns. Imagine sending personalized emails to customers who browsed a specific product in-store but didn't buy, or offering exclusive discounts to your most loyal online shoppers when they visit your physical location. Data duos. Powering your business. By understanding the differences between Shopify POS and web data, you can unlock a treasure trove of customer insights. Use this knowledge to optimize your inventory management, personalize the customer journey, and ultimately drive sales across both your online and offline channels. Remember, data is only powerful if you use it strategically. So, segment your data effectively, identify trends, and use those insights to make data-driven decisions that will propel your business forward. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.